Investing in a high-efficiency heating and air conditioning system brings energy savings, lowers utility bills, and provides environmental benefits. The systems are designed to be more efficient, leading to significant long-term cost savings. They produce fewer emissions, contributing to a reduced environmental impact and help address climate concerns. With advanced features like variable speed blowers, customizable zones, and programmable thermostats, you will have precise control over indoor temperatures and better distribution of heat throughout the entire home. Another advantage to upgrading to a high-efficiency heating system is that it adds to your property's value. It's been proven in recent home sales across the country that home buyers are attracted to homes with these systems and they're willing to invest more. A high-efficiency heating system is more durable than traditional systems. The advanced components of these systems contribute to a longer operational lifespan, thus reducing long-term replacement and maintenance costs. Finally, most utility companies offer incentives, rebates, or tax credits to encourage the adoption of high-efficiency heating systems. So in the long run, high-efficiency heating systems save you money, provide enhanced comfort, quieter operations, and have a longer lifespan than traditional systems, making them a valuable investment for any homeowner. For questions about this or any home improvement needs at all, we have pros here to help.